Okay, hear me out. The regular lemonade one and the Penelope peach.
Good evening, you beautiful buttholes. What's up? She was talking about the Surfside lemonade and vodka. This is going to be like a pour de floor mixy. Oh, it smells so good. Boop, 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 boop. We're just going to have a prolonged boop. Bink. All right. There we go. Why not? We know her. We love you. It's a part of our home. Elegance, flavor, lapulence. I don't even know if that's a word. Penelope Peach, pre-made old fashioned. Oh! God damn it, I love you. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, neat! Ah. Mixy. Cheers. Boy, that is summer in a motherfucking glass. Ooh, dude. Baby boy. It's so good. Oh my God. It's everything you thought it could be and so much more.